What we're looking at on the left-hand side of the screen here is a feed from my phone. So this is a live application running on the phone. And on the right-hand side of the screen is the HealthBot dashboard, which is a web-based experience where we can view interactions with the HealthBot chatbot in real time. So the patient enters their name. You can enter anything here. I'm just going to put Andy and go ahead and sign in.
Hello, Andy. How may I help you?
And the conversation comes up. Let me go ahead and actually turn this louder so that you can hear it. And we can start interacting with the service. I'm going to interact with it like I'm sick and I have symptoms. I have a fever and swelling in my lymph nodes.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you been injured recently?
No, I have not.
I see your last visit was for digestive-related issues. Did that treatment help?
It did, thank you. Oops, I didn't hit the button. It did, thank you.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst, how would you rate the severity of your symptoms?
About a 7.
I see. You would rate it a 7. Would you like to make an appointment to be seen by your doctor?
Yes, please.
I can help you schedule an appointment. When would you like to schedule your appointment?
Tomorrow morning.
Your appointment at 9 o'clock on 2017-03 to 16 has been scheduled. Please arrive at least 10 minutes prior to your appointment time.
So that's one of the workflows that we can go through with the chatbot. So we can talk about our symptoms, it'll ask us questions, it'll go through and set up an appointment. Another thing that we can do is refill prescriptions. Let me do that from the web-based chat on the dashboard. So first of all, before I do that, let's look at the dashboard for a moment. You can see in real time, we can see the patient that was interacting with the service, their input, the system output, and the intents that have been recognized by the Watson Conversation Service. So we can see whether or not it was a symptom intent, and you can see the body parts and symptoms that were recognized, so lymph nodes, fever, swelling. We can see whether things are positive, negative, gratitude. Let me go ahead and enter our name in here. So we'll say in the web one, I'll call myself Andrew, so that you'll be able to see a difference between Andy and Andrew. And it asks us, what can I help you with today? This is the exact same chat dialogue that you would have through the mobile application. And in this case, we'll say if I click in the right area, I ran out of medicine. And it will recognize the intent that you want to refill a prescription. Say, what would you like to refill? I'm out of Xanax. And you can see it recognized the intent, the prescription that we're trying to fill is Xanax. And it says, I can refill that Xanax prescription for you. It's been trained with over... If I go ahead and make this a little bit bigger, you'll be able to see. So here are the things that we can ask the system. So we can ask about symptoms, appointments, refilling prescriptions, inquiring about last appointments, also asking it for directions to the closest hospital. And here are the things that it's been trained to recognize. So the symptoms, everything from aching, bruising, discomfort, different kinds of body parts, and these are all, at the bottom here, different medicines that it will recognize as entities within the conversational service. So those are all the things that we can do with the HealthBot demo as of right now.